Hi, my name is Michael. Today I will give you troubleshooting how to connect the right power supply. Currently there are two types of power supply. One is 12 voltage, another one is 24 voltage. The 24 voltage power supply is bigger than 12 voltage power supply. So they have the same connections. The red means positive in 12 voltage. The black means minus, calm means minus. So the right should be connected to the positive. Alright? For the 24 voltage, positive voltage it's here. Negative voltage it's here. For LN, it doesn't matter for AC. So you can connect to any line, like blue to N or red to L. Thank you for watching.